Learning multiple languages simultaneously can be challenging, but with a well-structured plan, it's definitely achievable. Here's how you can create a plan for different time frames: 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months. Each plan builds on the previous one, progressively increasing your skills and maintaining balance among the languages. 1 week plan. Goal: introduce yourself to the languages and establish a daily routine. Schedule. Day 1-7. Language 1. 20 minutes of vocabulary building flashcards, apps. Language 2. 20 minutes of basic grammar, present tense, simple sentences. Language 3. 20 minutes of listening practice, podcast, music. Language 4. 20 minutes of speaking practice, self-talk, language exchange apps. Language 5. 20 minutes of reading practice, simple text, children's books. Focus. Spend time familiarizing yourself with the sounds, basic vocabulary, and simple grammar structures of each language. Keep the sessions short but consistent to build a habit. 1 month plan. Goal: build foundational skills and expand vocabulary. Schedule. Week 1-4. Language 1. 20 minutes daily, vocabulary building. 30 minutes every other day, grammar practice. Language 2. 20 minutes daily, listening practice. 30 minutes every other day, speaking practice. Language 3. 20 minutes daily, reading practice. 30 minutes every other day, writing practice, simple sentences, journaling. Language 4. 20 minutes daily, vocabulary building. 30 minutes every other day, grammar practice. Language 5. 20 minutes daily, listening practice. 30 minutes every other day, speaking practice. Focus. Establish a stronger foundation in each language. Begin integrating different skills: reading, writing, speaking, listening into your routine. Use weekends for review and practice conversation with language partners or online exchanges. 3 month plan. Goal: improve conversational skills and achieve intermediate proficiency. Schedule. Month 1-3. Language 1. 30 minutes daily, integrated skills: reading, writing, listening, speaking. 1 hour weekly, language exchange or tutor session. Language 2. 30 minutes daily, integrated skills. 1 hour weekly, conversation practice with a native speaker. Language 3. 30 minutes daily, integrated skills. 1 hour weekly, writing and feedback session. Language 4. 30 minutes daily, integrated skills. 1 hour weekly, language exchange or tutor session. Language 5. 30 minutes daily, integrated skills. 1 hour weekly, conversation practice with a native speaker. Focus. Deepen your understanding and use of each language. Engage in regular conversation practice to improve fluency. Start to focus on more complex grammar and vocabulary. 6 month plan. Goal: achieve higher proficiency and maintain language skills. Schedule. Month 1-6. Language 1. 1 hour daily, advanced reading, writing, speaking, and listening. 2 hours weekly, intensive practice with a tutor or language partner. Language 2. 1 hour daily, advanced integrated skills. 2 hours weekly, immersive activities: watching movies, reading novels. Language 3. 1 hour daily, advanced integrated skills. 2 hours weekly, discussion groups or language clubs. Language 4. 1 hour daily, advanced integrated skills. 2 hours weekly, intensive practice with a tutor or language partner. Language 5. 1 hour daily, advanced integrated skills. 2 hours weekly, immersive activities. Focus. Achieve higher levels of fluency and comprehension. Maintain and refine language skills through diverse and immersive activities. Balance your practice to ensure steady progress across all languages. Conclusion. Balancing multiple languages requires a structured and flexible plan. Start with short, consistent practice sessions and gradually increase the intensity and duration of your study. By setting clear goals and regularly assessing your progress, you can effectively learn and maintain multiple languages. Remember, consistency and enjoyment are key to your success.